We are having this press conference for a limited purpose of, in fact, first we want to intimate all the youth of Goa who have participated in the recruitment process for getting employment in the non-gazetted posts for B, C, D category, that whoever have applied in the rigged process and who are victims of this government's approach of in fact selling the jobs to the highest bidders, to come forward. The Congress party is ready and willing to take up your cause, especially the youth, to come forward and meet our youth leader, Varad. He will be at your assistance. The Congress party has also decided that all those persons who approach the Congress party, especially the youth leader, the cause who are affected by the rigged process, as pointed out by the president of the Congress party yesterday, regarding the recruitment process where jobs have been sold, where money has been the criteria for the purpose of selecting candidates. Those persons aggrieved by the rigged process, the bogus examinations that were conducted, are requested to come forward and meet our youth leader. Now the Congress party has decided that all those persons who approach the youth leader, the issues, their grievances will be taken up before the authorities. One, the Congress party has also decided to approach the court, and in matters especially where the recruitment has decided to approach the High Court and seek a writ of quo warranto in a PIL writ petition, challenging all the appointments made in respect of these non-gazetted posts B, C and D category. Now the other aspect